Okay, how to properly clean your quarter leg and cut it up for jerk chicken. Boom. Big mother sucker. So, you see you got a little fat right here. Just take a little bit of that off. That's it. Guys, make sure you got a trash bag next to you. First part, you use the big knife. Back this up a little. Boom, the leg. What we like to do is we like to get this yellow part off. Use the smaller knife for that. Make it easier. Once you get it off, you just start peeling it. Peel that thing off. There we go. And you got your leg. Just took it. I took my leg one time. One time for the one time. And it's called the chicken butt when we cut that off. Little excess skin right here, cut that off. Okay. Now, it's the thigh and the chicken back. What you can do here is, if you're going to serve something big like this, big fried chicken or whatever, you could do that. But I'm making legs and thighs, so you can just grab right here the bone, grab the back. You want to push out. Push out. Once you push out there, you can just slip your knife in and push straight through. Then straight down, cut down, turn it up, again, cut down, yep. The rest of it. Now you got yourself a nice thigh. So as you can see, there's still some fat and stuff right there. Some people clean that up, I don't, because that's flavor, even right here. But we'll make sure when we season on top, all around, literally to the bone. That's what you call chicken buck. One thing I forget about the chicken buck is the liver. Yeah. Just make sure when you're working with your knife, you push it away from you, not towards you. I'm gonna pull all that out right there. Now you got 3 pieces of chicken. Look at that. No liver. Chicken back. And that's how you break down chicken quarter leg. Okay? So